One can regenerate parts of its body. One has an astonishing underwater punch. Another can navigate through complete darkness. And one of them can disappear right before your eyes. But
Today, we're discovering one of the strangest amphibians on Earth, the axolotl. The axolotl is native to freshwater habitats around Mexico City. Even though it is relatively small, its appearance is unlike almost any other amphibian. It has a wide head, tiny eyes, 4 short legs, and remarkable feathery external gills on both sides of its head. Axolotls spend their lives underwater, feeding on worms, insect larvae, tiny crustaceans, and other small aquatic creatures. When prey comes close, they suddenly open their mouths and pull water and the prey inside. This feeding method is known as suction feeding. But the axolotl has an even more incredible ability. It can regenerate many damaged or lost body parts, including limbs and other tissues. Scientists are still studying how its cells can rebuild complex structures. Unfortunately, wild axolotls face serious threats from habitat loss and pollution. And here's the surprising part. Although adult axolotls retain their juvenile-looking features, they can still become sexually mature and reproduce. With its unusual appearance, underwater lifestyle, and extraordinary regenerative ability, the axolotl is truly one of nature's most fascinating creatures.
This animal may be small, but its abilities are absolutely incredible. The mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp live in warm tropical oceans, especially around coral reefs, rocky seafloors, and sandy habitats. Their armored bodies, multiple legs, stalked eyes, and specialized front appendages make them very different from ordinary shrimp. They can feed on crabs, snails, worms, small fish, and other marine creatures. When prey comes close, the mantis shrimp launches its specialized front appendage with astonishing speed. The strike can be so rapid that it creates tiny cavitation bubbles in the surrounding water. When those bubbles collapse, they can release additional energy. But its powerful strike isn't the only amazing feature. Mantis shrimp also have extraordinarily complex eyes. Their eyes can move independently and help them observe their environment in remarkable detail. When danger approaches, they can retreat into rocky burrows for protection. And here's the incredible part. This relatively small animal can deliver one of the fastest and most extraordinary strikes found in the underwater world. With such remarkable strength and vision packed into a small body, the mantis shrimp is truly one of nature's most fascinating predators.
When darkness falls, an extraordinary creature emerges from caves, forests, and old trees, the bat. Bats are the only group of mammals capable of true powered flight. They are found around the world, and many species spend their days hanging upside down inside caves, hollow trees, and other sheltered places. Many small bats feed mainly on moths, beetles, and other insects. But how can they find such tiny prey in almost complete darkness? The answer is echolocation. Bats produce high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects and return as echoes. By analyzing those echoes, a bat can detect obstacles, locate prey, and determine how far away it is. This remarkable ability allows bats to fly through dark forests, avoid branches, and catch tiny insects in midair. But bats also have predators. Some birds of prey can hunt them, so bats may use rapid turns and dense vegetation to escape danger. Bats are also important to ecosystems because many species help control insect populations. And here's a surprising fact. There are more than 1,000 bat species around the world, with an incredible variety of diets, habitats, and lifestyles. So this mysterious creature of the night is far more important and fascinating than it may first appear.
Hidden among the rocky seafloor is one of the ocean's most intelligent creatures, the octopus. Octopuses live throughout the world's oceans, often using rocky crevices, caves, and small openings as shelter. Their most famous feature is their 8 arms. Each arm contains hundreds of suction cups that help the octopus grip objects, explore its surroundings, and handle prey. Octopuses can feed on crabs, shrimp, snails, shellfish, and small fish. When hunting, they often use rocks and other structures for cover before slowly approaching their prey. Then, using several arms at once, they surround and grab the target with their powerful suction cups. But the octopus has another extraordinary ability. It can almost disappear into its surroundings. Specialized cells in its skin allow it to change color and patterns, helping it blend into rocks and shadows to avoid predators. And because an octopus has no rigid internal skeleton, it can squeeze through remarkably narrow spaces. Its intelligence is also impressive. Octopuses can learn from their surroundings, solve problems, and adapt to challenging situations. And here's the fascinating part. The suction cups on their arms can help them sense and explore their environment through physical contact. In a way, an octopus can experience the world with almost its entire body.
One of the most extraordinary hunters in the sky is the peregrine falcon. This remarkable bird can be found in many parts of the world, living around mountains, steep cliffs, coastal regions, and open landscapes. It is a medium-sized falcon with dark slate-gray wings and back, a lighter barred underside, and distinctive dark markings on the sides of its face. Peregrine falcons mainly hunt other birds. When hunting, the falcon first climbs high above the landscape and carefully watches its target. Then, at exactly the right moment, it folds its wings close to its body and dives rapidly toward the prey. This spectacular hunting technique is known as a stoop. During this dive, a peregrine falcon can reach speeds of more than 300 kilometers per hour. That is why it is often described as the fastest animal on Earth during a hunting dive. But incredible speed alone is not enough. The falcon must also maintain precise control and adjust its direction while moving at extraordinary speed. When threatened, it can use steep cliffs and difficult terrain to help escape potential predators. Peregrine falcons once suffered serious population declines in many regions because of human activities, but conservation efforts have helped populations recover in many places. And here's the astonishing fact. During its hunting dive, this bird can exceed 300 kilometers per hour. From high above the earth, the peregrine falcon transforms into one of nature's most spectacular speed machines.